Hello, 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 hello. How are y'all doing tonight? I am doing great, looking great, feeling great. It's been raining like crazy, then it been hot. So I just been chilling at home, spending time with family, spending time with Terrence, just doing me. Um, I started my first TikTok video today. I am really happy about that. I will be on TikTok more. I had to look and see what my TikTok name is so I could tell y'all. But anyway, it's in my YouTube videos. The video I did today, I got on black pants and a navy blue shirt. This shirt right here. Y'all can see that in my YouTube video. I have I think 10 videos that I did on TikTok. So you look at those all the way through. At the end, you'll see the name of my channel. You can follow me on TikTok. You can follow me on Instagram at Carlette B82. Facebook, Carlette Letter, CarLetteter. Facebook. I'm on all three of those platforms. So that's what I have been. So I decided in my little head, I was thinking a couple of days ago and last night that we finna switch things up. Cause on my channel, you got cooking, makeup, hair, just us. We doing stuff together. But I'm gonna switch it up. If you have a note card and a pen, I need you to get it right now. So we finna take notes. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna tell y'all what days I'm gonna do the video so y'all know. On Mondays, is going to be morning routine. Tuesdays is going to be makeup. Wednesdays is going to be cooking. Thursdays is going to be, what should Thursdays be? I'm going to say outside. So outside means I'm going to go for a walk. I'm going to ride my bike. I'm going to do exercise outside. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday is going to be games. I'm going to play on the PlayStation. Saturday is going to be, so we got morning routine Monday, makeup Tuesday, cooking Wednesday, outside Thursday, Friday games. So Saturday is going to be, what's this Saturday, y'all? I don't read books. Hold on. Let's see. While we thinking about Saturday, we're going to rewind back to Sunday. We're going to fast forward to Sunday. Sunday going to be church. We're going to go to church on Sundays. Okay. Saturday. Read the Bible. So, we did one video on this YouTube channel. Every morning, me and Terrence read the Bible. We'll read it when we sit on the porch or when we sitting in the house, or sometimes when we out walking, because we had an app on our phone, our tablet And I just be forgetting to record. I know I told y'all for 4 months we're going to be recording our stuff, reading the Bible. We get back on that. But these are what I wrote down. So this is my note and my pen I was writing. So let's go. Mondays, we're going to do a morning routine. Tuesdays, we're going to do makeup. Wednesdays, cooking. Thursdays, outside activities, riding the bike, stuff like that. Friday, board games on the PlayStation. Saturday, we're going to read the Bible. Sunday, we're going to go to church. So, those are all the things that I'm going to be doing on my channel. And on the holidays, I am a real big fan. Christmas, New Year's, Valentine's Day, Easter, Labor Day, stuff like that. I am real big on it. So I will be doing decorating for Valentine's Day. Y'all can see that. And I'm going to show y'all when I go to the store and buy the decorations. So y'all to see all that. Comment down below with y'all plans off of Valentine's Day. And mine, I have not a lot. I have a few, but I'm not going to tell y'all what those are. Because sometimes Terrence watch my videos while he at work. That's where he at now. And I'm just here chilling, talking to y'all. So you're going to have to stay tuned for them videos. Because I do it big on holidays. So Valentine's Day, that's a special day. Most of the time, we're going to be out in public. So we'll be in the stores on Valentine's Day. And the day before Valentine's Day, we have something planned. I'm not going to really get into details for that. So, yeah, comment down. I love to see y'all comments and y'all likes. Thank you for 32 subscribers. I am really happy about that. So, I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Carlette. My man name is Terrence. The name of my channel is The Best of Letter. So if you take, my name is Carlette, Carlette. And if you take Letter, that's letter. So that's why I said The Best of Letter, which is me. Because Terrence and the kids, they do not like being on camera. So I'm just going to change it to me. Sometimes Terrence be my videos, and sometimes he don't. I do not show my kids at all because they don't like their camera shy. But I have kids who I don't have no little babies. I got high school, college kids. So they're doing good, doing a thing. Everybody's doing great. But I want to just come on and tell y'all what's going on. Yo, like I said, my name is Carlette. I live in Florida. And I am in my 40s. And I'm just kicking back and enjoying life. Y'all gonna see me do some photo shoots at home, do my hair at home, do my nails at home. I want to start doing that because I don't like paying people to do my nails and my hair and stuff. I want to practice doing it myself. So y'all gonna see some hair videos of me practicing doing my hair. I love doing makeup, doing my nails. And y'all gonna see a lot of TikTok videos. So go to my page, click on my TikTok videos, go to the end of it. I don't know my name offhand. It will give y'all my name. Follow me on TikTok, and it's a box now where you can comment. Cause your girl, Jesus take the wheel. She coming back. She doing TikTok videos, and they gonna be cute. The one I did today, it's all right. I like it. I was just practicing because it's my first time doing it, but I'm gonna get better and better. And I am really. You have to be proud of yourself. So say it with me. I am proud of me. Period. So 2024, hopefully everything's go good. Lord's will. Y'all gonna see a lot of nice videos. But for right now, it's just gonna be TikTok. Because I'm getting into TikTok. Every now and then I do a video, a vlog, YouTube will say vlogs, or y'all can say a video. But This schedule I just gave y'all, I don't know cause what time it's gonna start, but just know it's gonna start. You just gonna have to watch the video. Okay, Monday. Where she at? Another thing I have been keeping a secret from y'all, my family know, but a lot of y'all don't who follow me and know me personally. I have hypoglycemia, which is a disease. No, you cannot get sick from it. There's no cure. But no one can get it. No one can catch it. What it is, hypoglycemia is when your red and your white blood cells do not mix. So with that being said, every morning when I get up, I take iron pills because my sugar in my body gets low. That means no low iron. So I get real tired easy. Like if I'm riding, every little thing, riding the bike, doing my hair, going place, every little thing I do makes me really tired. And sometimes I don't be in the mood to be doing videos because I be tired. So that's, yeah, that's why I be sometimes don't be doing videos. Or when y'all be like, when I be doing videos, I'm like, okay, I'm finna get off, I'm tired because of that. But when I take my iron pills, I do good for like 30 or 20 minutes and I get back tired again. So that's that. But what we not gonna do is let that bother us. Because we got 32 subscribers. We ain't going nowhere. We trying to get up. It's gonna be up and up and up. A lot for me to grow to get like 1,000 or 1,000,000. So we gonna do that. Lord's will. We gonna get this channel rolling. We gonna do it everything and everything and everything. So y'all do that. And I'm thinking about, I don't know what day, but I'm thinking about making my own makeup palettes. I'm gonna show you an example of what I'm talking about. This palette right here is my friend's Dominique. She has a YouTube channel too. It's called Dominique Robinson. But this is her makeup palette. And it has her kid's name on it. And on the back she has like a little poem. And when you open it up, mine's kind of dirty. I need to clean it. It's the makeup. So I'm gonna be doing mine in like winter time, sometime this year. I don't know when, but I will keep y'all posted on that. Be on the lookout for that. And share my videos with y'all friends and family. Give me a big thumbs up. It's a box down there. You can get a big thumbs up and you can comment down below. I would love to see y'all comments. Y'all be looking at my videos. Y'all be looking at my videos. Oh, she doing good. She doing good. But y'all ain't putting no comments. I'm like, where the people at? Y'all supposed to be family. Why y'all ain't putting no comments? So, well, y'all put some comments because I will respond. But I'm coming out with that sometime this year with the makeup. I want to start my own business, so I'm coming out with a makeup line. I was going to do clothes, but I think this will be cheaper for me because you got to pay for different machines. And baby, I ain't trying to do that. Because everything, the market going up, everything, especially these days, I want something low-key that I can work with. So, we're going to be doing makeup sometime this year. And I'm super, super excited about that. So, yeah, that's all I want to share. I'm going to be doing, me and Terrence going to be doing some videos also. So, y'all just be on the lookout. I do not have a time for when these videos going to be posted. Because one thing about me, when I post my videos, I have to edit them. I like to get them out the same day. Sometimes the next day or the next week. So, you're not going to get no time. Oh, Colette, the best of letter. Oh, she gonna be posting her videos at 1 o'clock. So 1 o'clock come, let me go to her channel. Oh, I don't slept late. It's going on 9 o'clock. Oh, I'm out of time. It's going on 10 o'clock. Let me go to her channel. We ain't doing that over here. Tell your friends. We ain't doing that over here. Colette, my real name, and Letter is my family call me that. My nickname, Letter Arlette. We ain't gonna have no time. When I post, I post. When I don't, I don't. When you subscribe to my channel, it's gonna be a box at the top say notification. Click that. That means every time I post a video, you will see it pop up on your screen just like that. So that's all I want to say. I'm gonna get out of here, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Don't forget the schedule. We're gonna reach this track one more time. Write it down. Monday, morning routine. Tuesdays, makeup. Wednesday, cooking. Thursday, outside. Friday, games. Sunday, read Bible. Sunday, church. So I'm gonna be doing these. And my printer is broke. I'm getting a new printer. When I get my new printer, we're gonna go together as a fam. And we're gonna have Bible study. I won't be printing out Bible verses and highlighting them. And y'all can do the same thing. And I'm gonna try to see, can I get that on Amazon and sell them? And sell. Excuse me. I'm gonna see, can I get that on Amazon? Where y'all can have like a little Bible book. Yeah. I'm gonna start that too. So we can read the Bible and we can highlight it. And then on the other side, it'll be notes, take notes of what you read and what you highlighted, like that. So I'm looking forward to this. What I just said about the Bible, diary and the makeup, this only January. I'm gonna start working on it, but I don't have no deadline on when I'm gonna drop. I'm hoping to get all this done by the end of this year. So just be out on the lookout. Be out on the lookout. That's what y'all do. Be out on the lookout. Yeah. So I am on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. And I'm just gonna be posted on those also. We don't have no time, so tell your friends, family, neighbors. She posts when she what? Post. She don't have no time. We don't do that over here. Okay, it's getting late. I will see y'all later.